In this list building and email marketing masterclass review, I'm going to be showing you a program by a master of email marketing, Kevin Fahey, who's been doing this for so many years now, I can't even count. If you want to learn how to do email marketing the right way, then stay tuned. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out List Building and Email Marketing Masterclass, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, for a limited amount of time, I'm pulling back the curtain and allowing you to get insider access to my internal list building strategies we use to generate hundreds and hundreds of leads per week to our funnels without spending any money on paid traffic and email marketing tactics responsible for 30% plus open rates, sky-high CTRs, and millions of dollars in sales. So if you've ever been wondering how to do email marketing the right way, I know a lot of people will build a little email list and like never mail their list ever because they're too afraid to do it. This could be a course for you. Kevin's got really good results here. He's got an email list of about 35,000 subscribers. He's getting like 53% open rates on some of his emails, making tons of money in affiliate commissions and in sales. You can see here like more money that he's made here. Most of his money that he's making in his business comes as a direct result of doing email marketing, either selling his own products or even selling products as an affiliate. So you actually don't even have to make any products yourself in order to do this. So I'm going to kind of skip over most of this here, but if you go to that sales page, you can kind of go through and kind of read a little bit about his story here and just check out exactly what he's doing and decide whether or not this is right for you. What I'm going to do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you the backend area and the OTOs.
You're about to discover my unique list building and email marketing strategies I personally use in my business to generate mid-six figures every year. The same exact list building strategies I've used to drive hundreds of brand new leads every single week without having to spend a dime. More importantly, the same exact email marketing strategies I use to consistently grow my business and make thousands of dollars month after month. And in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to reveal how you can do the same. Hey, Kevin Fahey here. Let's talk about the single most underrated asset a marketer can have, an email list. I doubt you need to convince you that having a high quality email list is the absolute smartest thing a marketer can do. In fact, some would say it's like having access to infinite money. But you probably already know that. I'm sure you've heard of countless times how a properly built email list can be almost like a broken ATM machine, and that's true. But unfortunately, 99% of people don't get those results. Most people get stuck and think that their problem is that their email list isn't big enough. Unfortunately, just building your email list won't do the trick. Sure, knowing how to is a major piece of the puzzle, and we teach you exactly how to do it step by step in this course as well. But it's so much more about knowing how to interact with that list. See, most marketers tend to look at their subscribers as just numbers. They tend to forget about those numbers are actually real people on the other side of the screen. And those people, they have real obstacles they need to overcome, real goals they want to achieve. And the secret to being a better email marketer than 99% of your competition is by actually helping them do that. Look, without email marketing, my business wouldn't even exist today. Over the past 10 years, I've built multiple online businesses and brands that all combined clear multiple 7 figures in revenue. And email marketing is the absolute backbone of each and every single one of those businesses. And believe me when I say this, making money with email marketing is not easy if you don't have a clear and proven strategy. These days, the inbox is a very crowded and competitive space. And as an email marketer, one of your main priorities is to stand out from the crowd and demand attention. Most importantly, do it in a way that your audience enjoys it and gets value out of it. So, over the years, I've managed to build an email marketing strategy that does both of those things. And it does it by leveraging countless different extremely powerful strategies within the system that you can use at any given moment in any given email. And it works extremely well. In fact, just look at the results we saw over the past 30 days alone. And that's only a small handful of wins from using this system. It's obvious this system is far more effective than high pressure and high volume email marketing tactics that 95% of marketers use today. And that's exactly why we're able to continue to grow our email list at an insane rate and outperform other marketers in the space. And it's not only because our strategies and tactics are more effective, which they are, but also because of this. People are recoiling against the old-fashioned high-pressure email sales tactics that have become so widespread. We're literally getting hundreds and hundreds of people into our funnels and joining our email lists without even spending a single dollar on paid advertising. And we're consistently seeing 30% open rates even on lists that are years old. In short, it's the most powerful strategy I've ever developed for doing email marketing the right way, and the results have been truly mind-blowing. But best of all, this strategy, it's not complicated, it's simple, it's very straightforward, it doesn't require you to slap a bunch of things on the wall and see what sticks. In fact, I believe this system is a perfect combination of simplicity and raw effectiveness. So if you ever find yourself struggling to generate leads, build an email list and turn subscribers into sales and customers, agonizing over what to write in your emails, how to keep your audience engaged, sending emails that pass like a silent ship in the night with low open rates and maybe a handful of clicks, wishing you would know how to properly grow an email list, put together wildly profitable email marketing campaigns and build a reliable six figures online. And what I've put together is for you. Introducing Kevin Fahey's List Building and Email Marketing Masterclass. If you're tired of wasting your time and money on methods and strategies that never seem to work, today you'll be able to get your hands on a super powerful list building and email marketing strategies that will allow you to build your list in record speed without spending a dime, and get your subscribers hooked on your emails craving to buy your stuff. Inside, you'll get access to step-by-step video training that shows you everything I do to build and grow our email lists, and then extract stupid amount of money like clockwork, simply by following my unique approach that has been proven to work over and over again. And when you get this now, I'm also including additional strategies, tools and resources that will help you get the best possible results from your email marketing efforts. So, here are just some of the things you'll discover inside List Building and Email Marketing Masterclass. My unique list building strategies I use to generate hundreds of leads to our funnels on a weekly basis without having to spend a single dollar. These are the strategies I've never shared before. Plus, my internal email marketing strategies I use to generate high five figures per month and consistently top affiliate leaderboards. Once you get your hands on this masterclass, you'll immediately understand why this strategy is different than anything you've tried or seen before. But best of all, you'll be able to follow simple steps to unlock the secrets of email marketing and build a real lifestyle business you desire. Besides, I'm going to make the deal even sweeter by giving you access to some exclusive bonuses valued at over $1,000 in real market value for free when you get going right now. For a limited time, you can get your hands on our List Building and Email Marketing Masterclass at a massive discount. To lock in your discount, all you have to do is click the button below now. Look, I've been building online businesses since 2007. I've seen and tried a lot of different list building and email marketing strategies over the years, but nothing comes close to the strategies I laid out in this training. Seriously, I don't want to toot my own horn, but what I've put together here blows every other little list building or email marketing tactic and strategy right out of the water. Just imagine being able to consistently generate hundreds of high quality leads and thousands of dollars every single month. Look, strategies you find inside this list building and email marketing classes are extremely powerful, and I honestly believe that they will finally help you get the results online that you truly desire. In fact, I'm so sure of it, I'm going to take away all the risk by giving you a full 14 days so that you can test the system for yourself. If for any reason you don't think it's worth many times your investment, just send me a quick email and I'll give you a refund. Look, you know this works. I've shown you the results the system generates. I've showed you the value. I've made it a no-brainer offer by giving you a no questions asked money-back guarantee and added bonuses that are worth over $1,000 in real market value. All that's left for you to do is click the buy now button below right now. Seriously, it's decision time. You're at the crossroads right now. And the way I see it, you really have two different options. Your first option is to do nothing, close this page without getting access to the List Building and Email Marketing Masterclass and stay exactly where you are right now. But the only way this would make sense if you already have a massive email list, Your conversions are great, you're making sales every single day of the week, you already have a thriving business, and your bank account is flooded. And email marketing is not something you tend to worry about. If that's you, then maybe you don't need my list building and email marketing masterclass. Your business is already thriving. But if you're not the person I just described, and building a list and making money using email is a drag for you, then you should seriously consider taking the second option. Just say yes right now. Click the button below before life gets in the way and get access to the exact email marketing systems that is responsible for building a multiple seven-figure online business and generating millions of dollars in sales. But please don't wait. The price is going up every sale, and if you wait and come back later, you'll end up paying way more for this money-making system. So click the button below now, lock in your copy, bonuses, and your discount while you still can.
Okay, so we are back. So this is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase. He's going to go over everything: introduction, understanding what an opt-in page is. Like, so if you're a beginner, you've never done this before, that's fine. Split testing, creating the perfect follow-up series, how to get traffic, how to build your list with YouTube, banners, Instagram, pop-ups, giveaway events, free WSOs, automation, all these different things that you need in order to set up your email list and to profit from it as well. There are multiple upgrades here. The first one's a 100K case study, so it's going to reveal the 4 simple steps that he makes to compound his sales. So this is an optional upgrade. They've got another one here. It's a $5,000 coaching program that you're going to get for a one-time investment. It looks like $47. And they've got another one in here as well, where you can get access to all his different checklists that he's put together for people who want just like step-by-step programs on how to do all these different parts of internet marketing. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about list building and email marketing masterclass, and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I mean, it's email marketing. It's not some fancy software. If you're looking for a tool that you can play around with, this is more for serious marketers. What do I like about this? That all being said, if you're struggling, if you want to learn how to actually make money online, email marketing is one of the best ways of doing it. It's, if you ask any marketer, they're going to tell you that their email list is maybe the most important thing for their business. If that sounds like something you want to learn, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at list building and email marketing masterclass, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video.